Hi everyone, welcome to TOG Tech Byte video series. So I'm Krishan Weerasinghe, Head of Pre-Sales and a Fractional Consultant for D365 Business Central. So my topic is key modules in D365 Business Central. So actually I was planning to do Business Central videos first, but before that I wanted to give you some information from introduction about the features, key features and sub features which available in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Right, let's see what are the key features you can get from the Dynamics, especially finance module. If we talk about the finance module, we can capture a lot of stuff, even the fixed asset, bank reconciliations, GL entries. Likewise, you can do all those stuffs. If you talk about the fixed asset, you can do disposal, you can do the purchases, depreciation calculation. Likewise, all the stuff, especially automatic bank reconciliation, bank statement upload. Likewise, there's a lot of options available in the D365 Business Central than I'm talking here, especially the financial statements. We talk about the balance sheet, income statement or P&L, cash flow statement. Likewise, lot of information, lot of management information reports you can get from the Business Central. Right, let's talk about the sales module. If you talk about the sales module, there are some more features in same as the financial module. If you go to the sales module, you can create sales orders. Before that, you can create customers and you can create the dispatch orders, and there's invoices, as well as you can reverse the invoices, which call credit memos or debit memos. Other than that, you can get the sales report like agent reports. When we talk about the purchase module, same as the sales module, you can create vendors. Under the vendors, you can maintain a lot of details. If you want to maintain separate number series for vendors, if you want to maintain separate vendor categories, and if you want customer categories, that also possible in a Business Central. Then the PO process, PO to invoice, this GRN, and the aging report. More than a lot of stuff there in Business Central, but just I'm talking about nutshell about the Business Central. Right, very important, inventory and warehousing module. When you talk about the inventory module, you can maintain especially items. It can be inventory item, it can be service item, it can be non-inventory item. That option available in the system. If you want to maintain any costing method, FIFO method, and weighted average costing method, those options are available. Especially, you don't need to do anything manually. All the stuff you have to set up, or your vendor will set up. Then you have to post transaction. When you post in transaction, all the entries, all the costings, all the stuff calculating automatically. Right. Then the warehouse module. When we talk about the warehouse module, you can simply maintain simple warehouses like locations. If not, you can maintain like bin level, down to bin level. You can go. If you have any location, under that location you have racks, under the racks you have bins. Likewise, you can go down to your details when you are using warehouse module. We call it advanced warehouse module. Actually, most of the company using inventory module. Other than that, if you want to go to the warehouse deep level, you can use warehouse module. Right. Then last one, production module. Something very important, something very interesting, as well as something very complicated to implement in ERP systems is production module. it can be either Dynamics, can be whatever system, whatever ERP system. This production module is the most difficult process to implement, because reason is, if you talk about the business center, compare business center with production module, we have two options. One option is assembly option, and other one is production order option. If you talk about the assembly option, imagine your company is not running with huge complex production process. You are getting raw material and just you are converting it to finished good by one step. If so, you can go for the assembly method. This is very like simple method. You have to set up items and the labor cost, then you can have to post as you are doing in practice. But when we talk about the production module, kind of complicated than the assembly module. In this module, you are maintaining different stages for your production. Sometimes you can have the imagine you are doing some food industry. Sometimes you have to growing stage. You can have the plugging stage, like cutting stage, washing stage. Likewise, if you have any stages under the production module, you can maintain those stages, as well as if you have any variant cost, like if you want to maintain variant cost, any cost, labor cost, likewise in different stages, you can do same thing in system as well. This is kind of complicated, and the costing part also complicated, because when you are posting raw material to production process, that raw material cost you have to transfer the WIP account. When you are finished the production orders, when you are finished the production process, it should go to the finished good method. It should go to the finished good accounts. Likewise, this accounting part also kind of complicated than the assembly module. Whatever happened, there is expertise in TOG about the production module, so it will not be hard task to implement your production module when you are working with TOG team. So these are the main 5 modules and kind of sub features you can get from the Dynamics 365 Business Center. In nutshell, keep in your mind there is lot of options you can use. Especially I forgot to tell you, taxations. We have simple taxation method as well as tax on tax calculation method. You don't need to post any tax on tax calculation manually. System will do everything automatically for you. Just your vendor have to do small setup. So again, I'm telling, these are the main key features available in Business Central. Other than that, we can do system integration with the external parties, external system. Likewise, there's a lot of things to do, as well as except for standard stuff, we can do some customization, we can do some changes in the system which suit for your business process. So these are the key modules and some information about the module. So let's go to the Business Central video series from next video onwards. So until next video, thank you.